Hi there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. Let's talk about how to use Communication SOAP Framework Step 4 Progress to supersize and grow your business. How do you go about doing that? Number one, the first thing we have to ask ourselves is, did the action that we took yesterday to improve the area of confidence that we're applying the SOAP framework or communication, confidence was last month, communication to, did it work? Did it work for us? Do we know yet? Chances are when we take a step, when we take an action, when we do something, we don't necessarily see immediate results. Of course, those are my favorite because I know that what I'm doing is working and I can do more of that. So if my action step yesterday was to watch some YouTube videos about how to improve my digital presence across different platforms, did I do those things and did I see any results from that? Yes, I did those things. I have not seen any results yet because I'm just doing it right now. So how do we know we're making progress? We want to find some ways to measure progress for the different areas and aspects or the different thing that we're applying the SOAP framework to. A lot of times we're doing subjective things, which makes it hard to measure. So I like to add rating systems on a scale of 1 to 10. Are we making progress? And that's just a gut feel, an intuitive feel. And there's some other, maybe we have some objective measures that we can mix in there. But we want to know if we're going in the right direction or not. And if we're not, guess what? We just take another action. We take another track. We do something different. We don't stop. We just keep going until we fill that entire gap between where we are and where we want to be. So there are many steps that will be involved, I already know, in fixing my digital presence, right? My personal as well as businesses. Businesses are in pretty good shape, but me personally, really bad. It's just a hodgepodge. It's going to take several steps for me to fix that, and probably outside help and outside resources to make it consistent, make it congruent, make it targeted to exactly who I'm here to serve and how I want to impact the world. But I did already start yesterday taking some action to move in that direction, to determine even who do I want to help me? Who do I want to trust with something so important, you know, a representation of me and how I show up in the world. So today, share in the comments below one way that you'll measure progress for the area of communication that you're trying to improve. If it's improving your speaking, that's a pretty easy one to measure. You can just get feedback from the people that you speak to. You can ask a couple of them questions and say, okay, well, was this clear? Was that clear? Was the message on target or not? That's pretty easy to do. And those are, I think feedback from other people is a more objective measure of progress and whether I'm improving or not than me judging myself. Although, if you don't have anything else, judge yourself and do self-ratings so that you know that you're measuring and making progress toward what it is that you want. Any questions about this? Hit me up. You can always ask Q&As on these videos. You can comment on these videos. I keep comments open as well as Q&A so that we can ask questions and I can answer them in real time. I like when we ask questions in the comments because then everybody can see them whether they're listening live or not. Any questions about this, please ask. Otherwise, I invite you to go back over the past 3 or 4 days of this series and watch the SOAP framework, practice the SOAP framework, make it your own, and see how fast and easy decision making and changes and challenges are resolved for you as you're supersizing, growing, and building your business. Have an awesome day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow.